Welcome to Ambitech GH guys. As you know, my name is Demon and we are here for some tutorials on how to use your tools, your home appliances and your working tools. And on today's tutorial, have you ever wondered why your drilling machine or grinding machine will be fluttering and then maybe you will be seeing that even when you spark it, you have some sparks coming out of it and then a whole lot. Here is how you solve that issue. So right here, I have a machine which is having that same fault, the same fault of sparking. Okay, so guys, we are going to open the machine and we are going to see what is making it to cause that spark, and we are going to solve it. So follow me. Don't forget to follow Ambitech GH for more tutorials. Okay guys, so this is the inside of our grinding machine over here. So within the inside, we have the armature which is connected to this grinding over here, this grinding gear over here. So right now, this armature has a very 2 point on it, which is called the bushing connectors. Okay, these are where the bushing will be connecting, these two sides. Okay, so right now, we can see over here that our first brush, sorry, not bushing, our first brush is bent and it's not there. You can see the connection over here. It's not there, okay. And then this one too has dislocated. So if you have this situation, you will see that every day you'll be sparking your machine and then the machine will even work sometimes, or maybe the machine will have sparks and a whole lot of stuff. So here's what you do. You have to get a new pair of the same size of brush which the machine is using. Okay. So this is my new pair right here. The same size of brush which we are using. So we are going to fix it and test the machine. As you can see, I'm connecting my brush, connecting the brush to the armature. Then we have a spring on it. Let's place the spring on it that way. And then the same applies to the other side. Now guys, make sure that it has to be simple to put. When it's hard to put, the spring will not be able to press it on the armature. So here I have a very situation whereby it's not able to insert freely. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I will not sandpaper too much, but I'll just be sampling a little portion of it. Okay guys, so as you see, I just finished sampling a little portion of it to see how fixed it easily does. Still doesn't. So guys, see how simple and easy it fits. Now connect my wires to it. Now this is a handwork that pays a lot. In this situation, so guys, I just connected my cables to it. Okay guys, and don't forget to put the spring back. Even if you don't see any spring, there is a spring behind it which connects it to the armature. Okay, so guys, we just finished fixing the new brushes on our grinding machine. So guys, so I'm done and we are about to put it to test. So make sure it fits the same way you put it. Or you can use something like a marking when you are removing it because of the size. So if you see here, as I marked it here, the way I open it and then close it back, the marking has to become on the line so that I don't forget that I did something wrong. Okay. So guys, we are done. We're about to put it to test. Uh, very good guys. So right now our grinding machine is up and working again. And this time it doesn't have any sparks, it doesn't have any flashing, it doesn't bring out any smoke. Okay. So follow and take these or more tutorials on how to repair your appliances.